What's up, guys? How's everyone doing? Welcome to another session, guys. What's up, guys? So, if you're in profits, hey, I never said it for this app. You go to print money with gold like tomorrow, don't they? If you're in profits, guys, let me know in the comment section, guys. If you're in profits, let me know in the comment section, guys. Let's go. If you are in this trade, guys, let me know. Let's drop something in the comment section. Make trading simple. Let's go. We're back. Abdul, how you doing, bro? Thanks, boss. Welcome back. I'm in profits. Something is telling. If you want to close, no problem. But the only thing is just make sure that if you are getting out of the trade now, you are not going to, if you start pumping, right, you're not going to rush back into that trade again. Then if the market comes down, you lose. So if you are closing now, you should make sure once you close, you get out of the market till tomorrow or till Monday. All right. So the decision is entirely yours. My job is to analyze the market, teach you how to trade. Then if you get opportunity in the market like this one, we'll take it. So for those in the VIP group, I already told you guys the link I sent is active now. 5 people joined after this session. It's the same link I sent to them. I think I've sent even 2 links to yourself. Ika Farm, 5 people joined after that afternoon session. So maybe later I'll check it again and send you after this session. I can't do it right now, but I sent it to everyone that deposited in that afternoon session, and they've all joined the Telegram channel. At least I think 6 people joined, 6 or 5. So after the session, I'll check it out again. So if you're in profits in this trade, let me know. Guys, drop something in the comment section, guys. It wasn't responding. Well, I don't know, but that's the same link. In fact, I forwarded it to everybody in the group again, even those that have joined already. But I'll still get back to you after this session. But you took this trade now, IKEA Farm, right? You took this trade. Oh, he's dropping the crown emoji. That's a lot of crown, bro. That's a lot of crown. So, the recommended pair is XAUD mini if you don't have much capital. Because the trade you are seeing on the screen is not a signal for you to take the trade, because you're already. In fact, I've closed one position. I already told those in the VIP Telegram channel to close. If you have more than one position, you can close or you can exit now if you've made enough profit for yourself. So the stop loss is already at entry. That's break even. Meaning if the price comes back now into our entry, we are not losing anything. So if you have like 2 positions, you close one, take that profit, put for your pockets. You understand? So I want to know those that took this trade. But when it got to the first level of resistance, I closed. Okay. Which means you closed in you made money now. That is the whole point. You made money, Abi. Happy to hear that. We're making money. That's like the fourth person that is telling us that he made money with our signal. So if you have just one position, you can hold, right? If you entered where we entered this trade, then you can put your stop loss to your entry. That way, if the price comes back, you know it's for you is a break-even trade. If you have more than one position, then you can close one, hold one. That's why I recommend XAUSD mini, because XAUSD mini you can use 0.02. Then when you get to a particular point, you close one, you move stop loss to entry. That's how to apply risk management in trading. Because there's no guarantee price is going to go to TP today or now. So that's just my own. That's how I trade. Though most times I use two positions, though I enter all of them at the same point. So if price gets to a particular level, I can close one of them, move stop loss to entry. That's how you grow your account gradually, not trying to turn $5 into $50 overnight. All right. So for those joining the newbie group, I'm sending you a link. That link, you can use it to download. You can use it to download my strategy. You can use download my strategy. You can use it to download my strategy, right? I used to download my strategy where I broke down my strategy, right, on how I trade. So if you deposited in our last session, guys, and you're in the VIP Telegram channel, please let me know. I'm seeing 17 people joined already. I think we had 9 people in that Telegram channel before we came on the first session of for today. So after that session, I'm seeing 17 now. So if you've joined, let me know, guys. Okay. So some of you guys are already in. That's good. How does it work? We trade. We buy and sell. I don't know how to explain that, but buy and sell. You put in money, you buy, it makes money, you take your profits. Okay. You have joined. Royal Beauty too have joined. Okay, cool. So you guys were the ones that did deposited in our last session. So like as you can see, I might send the link to everybody, but I will still check yours again. I don't know why you are not able to get access. Humble Sunday, nice name. Please kindly change your name. Kindly change your default username to your name so that I will be able to recognize you Sunday. Ikafam say, how did you arrive at your TP at 4-2? Okay, let me show you how I arrived at that. So we are still printing, guys. If you have one position, just hold the position. We made the London profits. You can exist, but for me, I've closed one position. I'm holding the other one to TP. So if you look at this whole structure here. Now I'm answering Ika Farm now. Basically, I have to be honest with you. The exact point was just the risk to reward ratio, which is 1-to-1, right? Risking $10 to get $10 1-to-1. But another thing that made me to make that particular spot my risk to reward, right? Let me head over to a clean chart. I don't want to remove those drawings there. So let me use Pepperstone. I want to show you something on the 1 hour time frame. So on this, it's still the same gold, right? I hope you understand. Taking our trade, don't go and do. If you want to FOMO, that's on you, bro. I'm not telling you to chase the trade. We're already taking the trade. My session starts 3 p.m. in the afternoon, so we're already taking the trade. Because I'm not telling you to. So let me just break that thing down. So if you take a look at this structure, you can. I hope you are listening. So look at this structure. How this low now if price were to go back down, right, to the downside, if price was to go to the downside, there are two levels, right, that price is going to sell from. Now this is going to be the first level, or the second level rather. Then this would have been the first level. So this was where I was waiting for that confirmation to see if we're going to sell or if we're going to buy. Now, gold does not just move randomly. Gold moves from zone to zone, from liquidity to liquidity. Now, if you zoom in, I hope you guys can see the screen. If you zoom in, right, we have three major liquidity areas. You might not see the second, but I'll still show you. We have three major liquidity areas sitting here. We have one. You guys already know what I mean by liquidity by now, because I've been talking about it. I've talked about it a couple of times. So there's one here. You might not really understand why here this is a liquidity, but maybe in other sessions I will explain. Then we'll have another one sitting here. So the main goal was, so what I was looking at for during that New York session, or when New York session opened, was for price to go up, take this one, then come down, or take it, give us a confirmation, then continue to hunt for this one and this one. So for the fact that price did not go down after taking out this one, and as you can see, it's not going to, and I can see that it probably will not go down. Why? Because this structure, I'm looking out for the liquidity that's inside the. I told you guys something about premium and discount zone. So you are selling from here, you are buying from here. So since price is not respect this level, we are now expecting that price is going to first of all enter this premium zone before it starts selling. Now, where is it going? Is either targeting this high or this. We call this place supply zone, or this other block or points of interest or ceiling, like I normally tell you guys. So that is why in my head I already knew that, okay, if price is going to continue to go up, it's probably going to get to this top over here. So that's why I just put my TP here. And again, if I'm to look for fair value gaps. Let me remove all the drawing now. Ikafam, are you following? I guess this is not complicated. So if I were to look for fair value gaps, which is also a magnet, like I always say, see that we'll have one here. And you can see that one aligns closely with our TP. So if we go back to our TP, you see, so it aligns closely with our TP. So in summary, I was targeting that FEG and also targeting this zone. That's the second thing. Then the third thing I'm also targeting is the liquidity sitting above this level. So if you check, you see that 1, which is the FEG, 2, which is the supply zone, 3, which is the liquidity from previous sessions or previous day. Previous day. This is previous day high. So you see that the 3 things I'm targeting, they are all above this level. They're all above this level. So that's why I made that area. But the reason I made that particular 4627 is because I'm targeting a 1-to-1 risk to reward when we started the trade. So I believe that is clear now. So right now, anyone who is in this trade, your stop loss should be right here. Stop loss should be 4595. So even if you want to buy now, guys, your stop loss should be 4595. But for those of you who normally get out of the trade very early, I still like how you trade though, to be honest, because trading is not there's no guarantee price going to go to that level. So the most important thing is that if it goes your way and you don't see money, you collect and put for your pockets, then come back the next day. Sometimes that's basically how I trade. Not every time that I leave trades to hit TP, because you don't own the market. Odaf Boria, I don't know if that's your name. Good evening to you as well. Yusuf Ibrahim, how are you doing? Chelsea. What happened now? What happened? Is it work? I didn't see you in the afternoon session. I didn't see you yesterday. What happened? We've been taking trades since Monday, all wins, all through. This is the fourth trade that is now in profits. I didn't see you. What happened? Well, you are good now. Chigozie, good evening. How are you doing? Emmanuel, sorry. How are you doing? Okay, Chelsea, no problem. Very nice trade, guy. I got the runner, my dear. I'm new and I want to learn more. To learn more, you need to just follow me on the app. Right? Follow me on the app. Then, okay, guys. So let's talk about business, guys. So for those of you who want to gain access to our VIP, the VIP is already growing. I think 17 members joined today already. So what you have to do is very simple, guys. Let me show you what to do for you to gain access to our VIP. So for you to gain access to the VIP, guys, number one, you follow my streaming profile. Then the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to make deposits. Yeah, I do. I go live every day now. Every day, except Saturdays and Sundays. Guys. 3 p.m. That's when I start streaming. I stream all up to 7 p.m. Actually, 2 sessions though. 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. That's my first session, the one we just concluded. Then I also stream from 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. every damn day, except on holidays. Like on Tuesday, we didn't stream. So guys, for those who want to make deposits, why is this small? So for those who want to make deposits, guys, you just have to click on this icon over here. Click on that golden bag icon. Then that's basically, once you click on it, then you can make deposits as little as 5,000 naira. You can be able to join our VIP, and the money is yours, guys. It's not ours, it's yours. Let's see what the chart is saying, guys. I think this session is more of just looking at this trade and watch it play out. I don't really have much doing. Ika Farm says, what can stop price from climbing upward further? Bro, I don't know. What I normally tell my students, even my private mentees, I tell them that only trade what you see, not what you think, not what you not you don't predict the market. You trade what is right in front of you. As a day trader, it's only when you're swing trading that you trying to make some kind of crazy projection. So you trade what is right in front of you. So I will not know what will stop the markets. The market will tell. And again, we have news coming up tomorrow, so the market might be a little bit shaky from now till tomorrow. So if you are trading other sessions tomorrow, I would advise you wait till maybe evening before you start trading, because market might be a little bit shaky in the morning because of the news. Sadiq, very nice trade. Thank you very much. Chidendo Chigoze, good evening. How are you doing? Charles, okay. Buddy, do you do live? Yes. Lamont, hey, I've been waiting to see Chelsea. Okay, Chelsea did 15 USD. If you did, you should be in the okay, I've seen you. You are in the VIP group now. So what I'm going to do, just give me a sec. Chelsea. Chelsea, just give me a minute. I'm trying to. Yeah, you can do $100 for those who have the funds. If you have 205, it's your money. You are not giving it to me. At the end of the day, you are still going to be the one to trade with it and make. And another thing, remember, guys, trading is a number, is a game. Yeah, what's it called? It's a number, is a percentage game. Or it's a game of percentage. What that simply means is that, after, my guys, I'm doing a lot of things here. Until I have a co-host, I'm doing. That's why, like, I'm distracted. But I'm trying to keep up with some other things here. So Chelsea, check the VIP group on the app. I just resent the Telegram channel link. Let me know if you can join. Although after this live session, I'm still going to send it to your private. Let me just do that. So if you have up to $100, you can deposit, guys. 200, 500. At the end of the day, you are still going to be the one trading with that amount. And like I said, trading is a game of percentage. So what that simply means is someone who is trading with $1,000, right? And someone who is trading with $10, for example. Now, if Chelsea, check your DM, I've sent you the link. So let's say, for example, if you make 1% of $1,000, right, is $10, right? It's $10. Our trade is still going, guys. Drop something in the comment section, guys. If you love the way we are making profits. This is the 4th trade, guy, this week. No losses so far. Everything was done right here, live and direct. There's no indicator trick or anything. So, guys, drop something in the comment section, guys. If you love the way we are printing money with gold. Yeah, $10, $5, any amount you do, just top up through this live with the gold icon bag, so that you're able to gain access to the VIP. So if someone is trading with, let's say, $1,000 and another person is trading with $10, now 1% of $1,000, right, is $10. So if you're able to, let's say, for example, in a trade, right, you risk $10, Or let me even say, let me use 10%. 10% of $1,000 is $100, right? And 10% of $10 is $1. Now, both of you, for example, this trade we took is a one-to-one risk to reward. What it simply means is that if, let's say, for example, you have $1,000 now, and you took this trade, and you risk, let's say, $100, you are targeting $100. Now, if the TP hits, you make what? $100. Someone else that has $10 that is taking the same trade, that is risking $1. If the TP hits, he makes $1. So it's a game of numbers, it's a game of capital. And the good thing is that the money you are depositing right now in this life, you are not giving it to anybody. You are not paying like a fee. The signals I'm providing to you, the teaching I'm providing to you, the market breakdown, they are being paid by the company. All right. So my job to you is just to open your eyes to the market, help you make money, break down the market, give you signals, teach you, come out here. We all engage in the market. That is all. All right. So you're not paying me anything. So even if you put $10,000 now on this live, it's still going to be in your account. Tomorrow you can wake up and say, this $10,000 I put, so let me withdraw half and go and flex. You can withdraw it and it will be credited to your account. And BTCDana give you a withdrawal within the same day. So that one is not even a discussion anymore. So it's your money, guys. It's your money, guys. So Chelsea, I hope you've seen the link. Oh, 07 say, can I be your co-host? Well, I don't know how you're going to do that, but you have to, I don't know, if you can write to the company to be a co-host, if you have experience in, I don't know, you can submit your CV to them. I don't really know how you're going to do that though. But that's the process you have to follow. So I won't be able to decide that from here. I hope you understand. Little Cent says I deposited 10 USD. Little Cent. I can't see you in the group, because if you deposit, automatically you will find. Okay, Little Cent. Okay, I've seen you. Yeah, I've seen you. So I will send you Little Cents. That name is powerful, bro. Guys, one thing I want you guys to help me do, if you really love the way we host our own lives, because this is our live, it's not my live session, it's our live session. Please, there's a like button. There's a like button in the comment section. Please, just bombard that like button, guys. Please, that's your way of assisting me, or that's your own way of paying me. Let me put it that way. Little Sense, I'm looking for your name. So like I told you guys, tomorrow there's going to be a news. So Little Cent, check your DM. I just sent you the link to the Telegram channel. So guys, just what's it called? Click on that like button if you love the way we do our own live session, because ours is special, and you guys know why our own is special, because we are here to do what? To make trading simple. It is that simple, guys. Okay, Little Boss say thank you, boss. Yeah, I've seen it. Okay, cool. So Ika Farm, I will still check your link, because I want to make sure everybody that deposited today gain access to. So guys, if you're not in the trade, please don't buy. Please, if you're making deposit now, wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow when I come live, then we can take a trade. Or if you deposited and you're in the VIP, wait for my next trade on the VIP Telegram channel. This trade has already moved. Remember what I told you guys yesterday about FOMO? Please don't FOMO into the trade. There's always going to be something to trade every single day. I beg, please don't go and throw away that your $10, $20 because you are not patient. If you're going to be following my trades, one thing you must learn is being patient with the market. If you guys watch how I trade or how I've been trading, you guys understand one thing, that I always wait for one particular thing. I always wait for one. I always wait for a candle to close at certain. That doesn't mean that you're not going to encounter loss. But even if we lose, even tomorrow, even if we lose, God forbid, though, but I'm just saying, even if we lose tomorrow, we've won Monday, Wednesday, we've won 2 trades now today. That's 4 trades. So if we're losing 1 trade, you see that the 4 trades we won is going to cover up for that loss and still give us profit at the end of the week. That's what trading is all about. Risk management. You can't win every time. You're going to lose sometime, but when you lose, make sure that you are losing lesser than you are gaining. So Ikafa, I'm sending the link to your DM again. Private chats. So Ikafa, check your DM. I've sent the link. I think it's the same link now. If it doesn't work for you, just hold on. After this live, I will go to Telegram and create. I can't be doing all those now. I will create another one for you. All right. Let's see what the chat is saying, guys. 007, I've muted some Telegram channel because of your. Hey, God. Thank you very much, boss. How can I get access to VIP? Just make the little sense. Yeah, you're already in VIP, so. Okay, these are old chat. Let me go to recent. With $10, yes, with $10 you can start trading, like right now. Yes, you can. Just click on that gold bag, then you make your deposits. All right. So let's take a look at the chart and see. Guys, let's look at the charts. Sorry, I thought I'll stop sharing that particular screen. Why is this not coming up? Okay, guys, can you see my charts? Can you see my gold charts now? Can you guys see it? If you can see it, please let me know in the comment section. Nizam, it said Nizam. Go for sell. No, don't sell gold, though, please. Don't sell gold. Someone should answer me. What was your question, please? I'm going through the charts now. Please, can I see my name here? Yeah, you have to edit your name. You have to edit your name. Good evening, Coach. Good evening. How are you doing? Okay, everybody can see it. Okay. That's cool. So now, I want to show you guys something. What I believe some of you already know what it is. So what I normally do when I see this kind of structure, when I'm in a trade and gold does something like this, right? Then I'm going to move my stop loss to this level. Because remember, the market is almost getting done for the day. So you don't want to give back. You don't want to, how will I put it now? You don't want to give back your profits, then still end up in loss when your trade was actually in profit. So there's what we call trailing. Let me write that out so some of you can still Google it and understand it better. Sorry, trailing, not training. Trailing, or you can say trailing. So what trailing simply means is that you start moving your No, it's not hard to move. It's not hard to move SL. Your SL now should be, I'll just give you the number, right? 64601. This should be your SL right now. Oh one. So this is your SL. So what this simply means is that guys, please, I just maximize my charts. Can you guys see it? I have to be sure. On the main app, the main thing is that you just go to your trading section. Just go to, everything has advantage and disadvantage. Because one advantage that BTCDana app has is that you can use very tiny amounts to get started. And you have things like gold mini. But on some platforms, you don't have that. So no platform has it all. So you still have to work with what you already have on the app. So, but the most important thing is that you can actually edit it. So if you go to your trade right now, move your stop loss to 4601. Lamon, which of the question, please? Can you resend the question? A lot of chats here. I can't really know. I don't know which one is which one. Please don't take trades now. I know they hear what. Don't take. We're already taking this trade. Don't FOMO. Tomorrow we'll come back and look for a trade. If you're in the VIP group, oh, need to check out. If you're in the VIP group, you will wait. Maybe tomorrow morning I will get a trade for you guys, like we did in the morning today, and we still made money. So you don't need to chase this particular. We're already taking this trade, guys. I'm trying to secure your capital for you, right? Trying to secure your capital for you. I'm not that kind of trader that will just come and say, buy, we're buying, let's buy, we're selling, let's, like somebody that is doing advertising something inside the Alaba International Markets. No. I trade professionally, so when I tell you that this trade has moved, just wait for the next one. It's very simple. You don't need to chase the trade, all right? Chelsea, okay, cool. Lamont, okay, can you check for me if I'm in the VIP? Lamont, let me check. Okay, Lamont, was that your question? I don't think I can see you there. You're not in the VIP. You're not in the VIP group. So I can't see you there. Did you make deposits while on this live that is using the little cent? I've sent it to your DM now. Check your DM. I've sent it to your DM. Nizam said, told you sell. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Told you sell how? Can you explain? So Lamont, if you made deposits using the gold bag icon in your charts, it automatically add you to the group. So I can't find you in the group. It's when you get to the group that I'll send you the link to the Telegram channel. I believe I've answered the question. BTC is a coin of the platform, so I'm not really here to talk about BTC. So if you want to know more about BTC, you go to BTC. It's a BTCDana native coin that they're hoping to launch in the future. So you can claim that, I think, for free or something. To stop loss and take back, can I do it? Stop loss and take. You mean to set stop loss? Is that what you mean? Adam Samson. If you go to the app, on that trade section, If you click on trade, you will see your trade that is running, right? If you click on it, you will see there's going to be an edit button. So if you click on that edit button, then you'll be able to key in this particular figure. If you're on this trade, then you put your stop loss and your TP. If you go to the app, Little Sense, there's a message section in the app. You should be able to see the link there. So, guys, my stop loss is trade with some profit. So this is what I'm expecting gold to do. So I believe you will now understand what trailing trades or trailing means. So I'll take that out. So if the market does not reject from here, then that will be the end of this particular trade. By now, guys, if you have two positions, close your position. If you have one and you are good with these profits, please exit. Then if you have two positions, close one, hold the other one. So the other one you are holding, the stop loss should be 4601. So nobody is supposed to lose in this trade unless you took this trade in this session. Remember, this is a trade we took in the first session today. So I'm not going to consider any loss from this trade from my signal. This is where everybody that took this trade when we took the trade, they all entered this trade right here. All right, so we'll enter this trade right here. So let's be clear about that, guys. Yes, 4627. That's the TP. That's the TP. And like I said, guys, by 9:30 p.m. you should be out of the trade, guys. Four, 627. Then SL. If you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer your question. But please change your name. Change the default username to your actual name. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. How are you doing? So Adam Samson, I think you've been able to set your TP and your SL. I'm not giving any signal to sell, guys. I don't trade like that. I take 1, 2 trades in a day and I'm good with it. It's only when you don't know what you are doing that you keep gambling about. You want to sell later, you want to buy, you want to sell. No, if you keep doing that, that's how you get to lose all your money in trading. At the end of the day, you might blame BTCDana, but they are not taking your money. You are the one who is not patient. So the market is already closing. You shouldn't be looking for new opportunities right now. If you are not in the one we currently have, make deposits right now. Follow our VIP. When we are taking our next trade, you will be notified in the Telegram channel or on the live session. So it's that simple. If you are new in trading, you're welcome. My VIP, just make deposits using there's a gold bag by your charts. The middle, what's it called? The middle icon there. There's a gold bag icon. If you click on it, you make deposits. Once you make deposits, it will take you to the VIP group. The system will take you to the VIP group automatically. That's how you join. You are not giving me the money. It's still going to be deposits. Is still going to be in your account, right? If you don't have ideas on how it works, that's why you are here to learn. Right? Central C, I think you are late. We already bought. And taking some profit, so we're not giving. We're no longer taking fresh trades right now. If you must buy, your stop loss has to be 4601. If you must buy, guys, because I know a lot of people will still not want to be patient. So if you must buy, the market, what I trade every day is good, mostly good. Though I can analyze any market you want me, guys. Yes, that particular icon, that Arab Jumbo, that icon is what you use for deposits. Deposit through that place, then you get added to the VIP. So Adam Sampson. So I trade mainly good, and I analyze every other market like BTC, real USD, but what I'm specialized in is gold. As you can see, 4 trades so far, all of them in profits, no losses so far. Right here live, none of them. I didn't hide anything. I came here, analyzed the markets right in front of you guys. We took the trade all at the same time. So I didn't use any. You didn't see me putting any funny magic or anything. Someone chatted me up on my DM and said I should make a call soap for them. I don't get any soap, apart from when I take the bath. Normal. I don't have any soap. It's just an experience, and if you stick around with me, you get to understand how I trade. That's why I always say, if you have any question, ask. I'm going to answer. That's why I spend even more time attending to your chats than trying to analyze, because analyze what you don't understand doesn't make sense. But from your questions, I can answer you guys, and you get to understand how I trade as well. Yeah, let me just pull up. Let me pull it up for you so that you see the recommended pair. So you don't go and blow your accounts. If you must buy, set SL at 4601. Close before 10 p.m. tonight. So if you must buy gold, set SL at 4601. So Adam Samson, I just giving you the particular pair. If you must buy. But I don't advise anybody selling. Because gold, with what I'm seeing here, gold is going to continue to around this level unless gold closes below this purple line. But as long as gold is above this level, right? As long as gold is trading above this level. Can you guys see my chart, guys? Okay, guys. So if you must buy gold, guys, you want to make sure that your stop loss is at that level. Because once you see price, like I told you guys, I trade with market structure and price behavior, then timing. By 6 p.m., which we are right now, gold is either going to go up aggressively or gold will go down, close below 4601, then start going down. So you don't want your stop loss to be anywhere below that 4601. TP is there. TP is there on the screen now. Abdul. Hold on, let me update it. Let me update that pop-up again. Recommended. Central C say, how long did you learn? It's not how long, it's how well. Some people have been learning Forex for trading for 5 years and they're not getting it yet. So it's not how long, but how well. How much effort, how much time do you put into it? So how long I learned trading? 4, 6 to 7. Close before 10 p.m. 2 minutes. So like I said, some people have been learning trading for 5 years. And they are still yet to understand the concept. So it has to do with how much effort you put into it. It's just like if you are learning any skill. Let's say, for example, you are learning tailoring, for example, and let's say, for example, you go to your training center like twice a week. Yeah, if you want to buy, just make sure your stop loss is where I advised you to. All right. So let's say, for example, you are learning tailoring and you go to your training center let's say twice a week, right? Meanwhile, there's someone else who goes for the same that's also registered for the same training and goes to the same training center every single day, and also is opportuned, right, to buy a tailoring machine in his house. So he comes to the training center every single day. He learns from the boss, right, every single day. Then when he goes home, he also has something to practice what he has learned. You're not going to compare that person to you because you are coming there just twice a week. You might learn that same tailoring for, let's say, 4 years, and you are still trying to catch up. Meanwhile, that guy might just learn it for 1 year or 2 years and he's already doing well. So it has to do with how much time and sacrifice someone puts into it. It's not about how long you learned it. How long have you been learning it? So that's basically. So if you must buy, guys, use the recommended pair that's on the pop-up that popped up now. Use the recommended pair, guys. Use the recommended pair. Use the recommended pair. So like I told you guys, as long as gold is above this line, right, price is going to continue. Now, where price might actually reject from, if price is going to reject, it's going to reject from either this level, or this level. This is a 15 minutes time frame now. So this is what it will normally do. All things being equal, guys. I'm not a magician. You might hit this level and then come down. That's the first thing it might do. Then the second thing it could do, but here is not your concern. Your main concern is that price should get to this TP. But like I said, make sure your TP is around this level, your stop loss is around this level. For those who took this trade earlier, some already gotten out of the trade, some have closed some positions and holding the other position like myself. So just do what suits you, all right? But make sure you use the recommended pair so that you don't blow your account. So Abdul, I believe you now know the TP level, right? Central C, that's really the UK, that's a UK rapper now. Central C, yeah, Central C. Let me know so that I'll know if you let me know so that I'll know if you can link me up with the Central C himself. Guys, trading is sweet, bro. It will give you a lot of freedom if you can make out time to learn it very well. If you come here every single day, live session, join VIP, with time it starts to make sense to you. All right. Oluwakayode, where have you been, bro? I'm buying gold now. Well, you can go ahead, but just make sure your stop loss is at the recommended level. Don't move your stop loss. If you hit your stop loss, come back tomorrow. Don't try to gamble the market, please. There's always something to trade. If you come here in the next 100 years, you will still see gold to trade. So don't blow your account today. There'll always be a tomorrow. But I'm something, but I've already buy now and set stop loss at and set. I just set it that way, hold it. I think you're in the VIP now, so because I'm going to update the trade even after this live session. We have like 30 minutes to go. Can I close the earlier trades or I should wait to stop loss? That's your choice. My job is to give you a good buy zone, so already done that. So you choose when to close. But for me, I have 2 positions and I have several accounts. Let me put it that way. So some of them I already closed them. Then the other ones I'm holding them to TP. So just do what suits you guys. Guys, if you're in profit, you can share your trade right on this chat so everyone can see it, guys. How many lots do you buy? Are you referring to me? Ara, I think I saw you yesterday on our live session. You just made deposits. Cool. Yeah, I've seen you. Just hold on. I'm going to send you a Telegram link right now to your DM. Just give me some minutes. Okay. I have several. You don't want to know, bro. I have several accounts. So what I normally do, right? I normally take 0.1. All right. Let me just give you an example of how I do it. So if I take 0.1, once price pushes up aggressively in my favor, I'll close 0.05, then leave the rest to run. All right. So that's basically how I do it. So, Ara, let me send. Let me look for you and I'll send you the link. Just hold on. Someone said I don't talk about BTC. Well, if you tell me to analyze BTC for you, I will analyze it. I'm a professional gold trader, so I can analyze BTC for you, though I hardly trade BTC, to be honest with you, but I can analyze it for you, tell you where to look for buys and where to look for sells. So, but what I trade, even in my dream, and what I will continue to trade even when I'm 80 years old, is going to be good. Because I've tested all markets, trust me, you don't want to know. NASDAQ, Forex pairs, that Euro USD, GBP, JPY, US oil, name it, silver. I've traded everything. Because at the end of the day, you're going to get to a point in trade. Alright, you can check your DM. I just sent you the link to the Telegram channel. So let me know if you've seen it. But at the end of the day, guys, you can't trade everything. You have to pick at least 2-3 markets that works for you and focus on it. That's what we call edge, an edge in them. You need to know where you have an edge in the market. If I wake up 3 a.m. in the morning, that's at night, and you open the gold chart, even if I've not looked at gold for like a week, I can tell you that this is what's going to happen. It might not happen every time, obviously, but at least 6-7 out of 10 times it will happen. So that's how far I've been able to become one with gold. But if you want me to analyze gold BTC for you now, you let me know what I do, and I will do that. That's why I'm here. So I'm not saying I won't analyze it, but I'm just saying that I trade mostly gold. All right. So you want me to analyze BTC? In fact, if you guys want me to look at BTC for you, let me know in the comment section. Just drop BTC in the comment section. Then let's take a look at BTC. All right. Emeka Naji, you're welcome. Yes, but I'm dealing with both BTC and gold. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so let's take a look at BTC, guys. Let's take a look at BTC. Let's look at Binance BTC. So let's first of all look at the daily. Let's see. This is actually very bullish. This is very, very bullish. So if anybody is buying BTC now, from what I'm seeing here, you want to continue buying. So there's a level, the liquidity points over here. Don't worry guys, I'll still go down to the smaller time frame. I just want to look at what's happening on the high time frame. Then let's go to the 4-hour time frame. BTC is still pretty much very bullish. So go say good. BTC is going to continue going up. If you want to buy BTC, you want to look for a pullback around this level, right? Now this is the 1-hour time frame. Then you want to target this level. So if you're not in a trade in BTC already, you want to wait for a pullback, right? Then you take a buy, target this level and this level. This whole level is going to hold BTC as a support area. Right, so that's basically what I would say for BTC. If you are buying here, your stop loss might be, well, that would be too large. Unless you are used to trading wide stop loss, then no problem. But for me, if I want to trade BTC now, I want to wait for a pullback. Another reason I want to wait for a pullback is because there is an FEG. The fair value gap inside here, so I would want price to come down and tap that FEG, then maybe give like a double bottom on the 15 minutes time frame, then I'll buy and target this. I'm going to get something like this. Stop loss is just going to be here. So this will actually give you more than one. This will give you 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. So what that simply means is that, let's say for example you are risking $10 on this trade, you are targeting $15. All right, so this is what I would want to see with BTC if I'm to trade BTC right now. So I believe my Bitcoin guys understood that. Tomorrow, yes, we're going to have another session tomorrow, 3 p.m. on the dot. So first session, as usual, is going to be 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. The second session is going to be 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. All right. So Abdul, I hope I've given you at least an idea on what to look at for BTC now, right? And Adam Sampson, Central C as well. You guys requested for BTC, so that's basically what I will look out for BTC if I'm to trade BTC. So Ara, I think you've received the Telegram channel link. So 2 more people just joined our VIP guys on Telegram. We're actually almost more than 20 people. We were just 9 this morning because we started joining last night. So the number already doubled today. You can still make your deposit if you still want to join today. I cannot tell you if you should buy BTC. I already told you when I'm making analysis, you look at what I'm telling you to do. The problem you guys have when it comes to trading, right, is that you believe that whenever you come to the market, you always have to trade. That is not how to trade. Trading, you always wait for price to get to a particular point. That is where you wait for entry. So I already showed you where you should wait for entry. Let price come to you. Don't if you buy BTC right now, you are chasing. You might make money, but the reality is that if you keep doing that, a day will come, it will wipe your entire account, all the money you've made over 3-4 days. That's the difference between a professional trader and somebody who is just getting started. And that's why I'm trying to guide you on where you should wait for an entry. If you don't just wake up and come to the chart every single day and say buy or sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. It doesn't work like that. That is what gamblers do. That's why I'm different from most of the people who teach forex. That's what gamblers do. You just come on the chart anytime. They say buy, you buy. If you lose money, it's no problem. It's part of trading. Let's sell, we sell. You lose, no, that's gambling. So I already showed you where you should wait for the market. If you don't see market come to that point, there's no trade for you. You can come back tomorrow. You can go back tomorrow, analyze BTC again. I tell you, gold, for example, where we bought gold from right now was actually a zone I told you guys yesterday that we were expecting a buy, and we took that buy today, and we made money, and we're still making money. If you just come to the chart and you say you must buy, you must sell, it doesn't work like that. You keep losing money. Telling you from experience. I have countless students out there outside this app, and I'm telling you from experience. That's what makes people lose money, and at the end of the day, they think trading is scam because of lack of patience. So I just analyzed BTC for you and told you where BTC is going to, then where to wait for price. So your job is to wait for price to get to that level. That's why I said trading is 80% waiting, 18% patience. It's that simple. It's not a must you trade every day. It's not a must you trade every time. What I'm telling you is the reality. The group, you just make deposits. If you just make deposits, you will get added to the Telegram channel. Then also the VIP group inside the app. It's automatic. I want to learn more about it. Well, that's why you are here. You can watch our previous session, then also join our next session tomorrow, 3 p.m. So guys, patience is everything in trading. Patience is everything in trading. Let's check. Let's check gold, guys. Let's check gold. So our trade is still moving. We have like 17 more minutes to go in this session. So for those in the VIP group, they are going to get the updates. I'll be updating this trade in the VIP group till I go to bed tonight. That's why you need to join the VIP. I think we now have 20 members there, guys. So we've doubled overnight. And I believe more are still going to join tonight. So for those of you who are actually meeting me for the first time on this app, my name is Amos. That's my real name. Anywhere you search me, search my name, you're going to see Amos there. So it's not a nickname. I'm a professional gold trader. And I educate, I lecture, I trade. There are people who teach, they don't trade, but I teach and I trade. And I trade right in front of my students, like I've been doing with you guys since Monday. So I'm not just here to speak English or to show you how you can use one indicator, then go and sleep, then you go and be looking for indicator. No, I teach you, I trade with you. So you see how it's done in real time. No cap, no magic or whatever. All right. So So if you're just meeting me for the first time, guys, you are welcome. Chelsea, Chelsea, Chelsea. Thank you so much for the teaching and guide. You are truly, truly, and 100% welcome. Don't worry, guys. We're going to make money. Just imagine that since Monday you've not taken any other trade outside the trade that I've been sharing on the live session and also in the Telegram channel. You have tripled your money, right? The only thing I want from you guys, number one, is when I say wait, when I say go. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. You're welcome, Chelsea. Look, man, can I still trade gold? Oh, Nepal, this is hot. Can I still trade gold or is late already? To be honest with you, I would say don't trade. All right. If I just wanted commission, I would say go ahead but I'm telling you the truth now. We've already taken this trade. Some people already gotten out of the trade. If I don't be surprised, by 8 p.m. I'll close this trade. You never can tell. So what I would advise you to do right now, make your deposits now. Then join us tomorrow, 3 p.m. Nigerian time. Then we'll continue from there. All right. Or if you make deposit and you're added to the VIP, if we have trade tomorrow morning, we'll take the trade. How many of you saw the trade we took before we started the session this afternoon? We shared the trade we took in the VIP group this morning. Clean trade. How many of you saw that trade? We took the trade before we even look one said they made deposit. Did you make deposits in the live session? Because if you don't make deposits in the live session, you won't be able to have access to my VIP. You need to top up during my live session. It's a one-time thing. It's not like every time I do live, you have to top up. So I don't know if you made deposits. Look man. Okay, I've seen you. You just got into the group. I've seen you. I'll send you link. By the end of this session, I'll send you the link to the Telegram channel. Look, man. Welcome on board, boss. Everyone joining the VIP, you're all bosses. You're all boss. So you're all bosses. Seriously. Look, man, you're welcome. Okay. So, guys, we have just 12 minutes to go in this session, guys. Guys, make sure your stop loss is at this level 4601. I know why I'm saying that. I know why I keep repeating this particular thing. So someone does not wake up tomorrow and say he lost money because of my signal. Because if gold comes down and closes out below this level, gold is going to shoot downwards, caught up in that drama. If you have just one position, you can close, take your money, rest for the day. Tomorrow you come back. If you have two positions, hold one of them. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if it hits TP or something. No problem, no problem. I will send you the Lukman, I will send you the link once we are done with this session. All right. Let me see if I can even do that right now. Let me see if I can do that right now. Go to VIP, copy. Lukman. Okay, so Lukman, I've sent you the link to your DM, so maybe you check to confirm if you've seen it. Abdul, please indicate time to close all session in the Telegram. Yeah. Or if how will I say this now? If I don't close the trade, I will not be able to close the trade in this session, in this live session. So when I'm about to close the trade, like my own trade, I will update you guys in the Telegram channel. So yes, I will. Making trading simple, yeah, guys. Let's just do one little stuff right now. Let's just bombard the charts with our mantra, which is making trading simple, guys. Making trading simple. That's basically why we are here. We are not here to bore you with big grammar. We're here to go straight to the point. Learn how to trade and make money. Simple. So let's see, guys. Making trading simple, guys. Yes, guys. Making trading simple. Dixon, how are you doing, bro? Making trading simple, guys. Making trading simple. Trading is actually the simplest skill out there. It might seem like the hardest way to make easy money, but it's actually very simple. Today trading was very poor. Not my own trading. Maybe the trades you took. It's not my own trading. The two trades I've taken today, both of them ended the profits. Both in our VIP and also right here on the live session. So maybe it's from other people's live session or the ones you took on your own. So it can't be the ones we've taken here. Okay, Lukman, you're in the group. You're welcome. Since Monday, we've been hitting profit back to back in our sessions. So it cannot be our trade that has been poor. I'm just trying to clarify that though, not attacking you, just clarifying it. Okay, it's the same URB Dixon. Okay, no problem. I got you, bro. I got you. At least the Dixon is easy for me to pronounce, because sometimes I want to pronounce the other name. I somehow sometimes twist my tongue. So thanks for changing the name. Thank you. So guys, we have just 5 minutes left in this session. It's been a very, very wonderful time with you guys as usual. Now, as usual, before I go, I'm going to give you guys a tip, right, on how to manage this particular trade. Now, the very first thing you want to understand is that you must close this trade before 10 p.m. and you don't hold this trade over to tomorrow, please, because the way I trade, the way I trade per session. So if I take trade in New York session, which is the session we are right now, I close that trade during New York session. Asian session, I'll have to wait for another entry. London session, the same, like the one we took in the VIP Telegram channel during London session this morning. We closed it in the London session. So please, before 10 p.m., close your trade and make sure in all you do, your stop loss is at 460. Right now, I'm not going to consider this trade a loss or anything. So make sure you are safe with this trade, guys. So for me personally, I have more than one position. I've closed some. If you have just one position, please close the trade. Wait for another entry tomorrow. If you have two positions, you can close one, then move the other one stop loss, the stop loss of the other position to 4601. So I hope that is clear to everyone. Before I end this session, guys, let me know in the comment section if that is clear. Then we can call it a day, guys. If you're waiting for BTC, you can take BTC later, but I'm not giving signals for BTC. I already showed you where to wait for BTC, so you can use your discretion and see if you can take trades right on BTC. I greet you all. You are coming late now. We've been here since 3 p.m. Hola, okay, cool. So I want to believe everybody understood or understand what I just said. So this is where I told you guys to take TP1 or close partial. So this was the partial we took. You have one position, guys. Take your profits. Leave the market. Okay, guys, so that will be all for today, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow 3 p.m. and for those of you who already joined the VIP group and VIP channel as well on Telegram, you're all welcome. I will see you guys later tonight. All right, take care, guys, and do have a lovely evening ahead, guys. Bye for now.